Hi, my name is Austin Rude. I am one of the presidents for 3D Printing Design Club. The other two presidents are Henry Juan and Emily Mendoza, and our advisor is Mr. Ruiz, who is the architectural design and ROP CAD teacher in the library at our school. Our club is generally just a place for people who are interested in architecture or 3D design or 3D printing or any artistic design that has to do with computer drafting, that kind of thing. It's a place for us to meet up, to collaborate, to learn, and just kind of just be together with people who have the same interests. So that may include, or it usually would include, field trips in which we could learn, find inspiration, and find motivation. So just kind of visiting places that would give us that type of thing. Or it would include maybe like art galleries where we show off what we've built, what we've created, what we've drawn. So that would generally occur during lunches. So that's going to be something new this year that we're going to have to adjust to just because of the different circumstances. But our club generally just is a place for people who enjoy architecture and design and who enjoy building stuff in their free time. It's a place for us to come together to do that with people who have similar interests. The way to contact us is through our Remind. So you can text at GHS ARC 2020 to 81010. I'll put that up on the screen. That would be the primary way to contact us. Otherwise, you can email me at arood, AROOD, at 3825@glendora.k12.ca.us, or you could text my number, which is 626-390-5775. I'll put those both up on the screen too. Our advisor's email is aruiz@gmail, not at Gmail, at glendora.k12.ca.us. So if you have any specific questions regarding our advisor or how he would help us, that will be on, you could go ahead and email him. So right now, with the circumstances that we're in, we don't quite know exactly when we're going to meet up, but it will obviously be over Zoom so that we can stay safe. So if you join the Remind, you can receive some of those messages in which you will be able to get the Zoom links, get the times, get the dates. So we'll go ahead and start sending those out on that Remind. So go ahead and join that so that you can get all that information. And we will keep you updated on there. And that's about it. Thank you.